Did a software update break the libcrypto-1 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get OpenSSL running again. Before diving into the manual fix for libcrypto-1 library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the libcrypto-1 library, part of the OpenSSL 1.1 toolkit. It manages localized RSA and AES encryption and hashing algorithms, essential for establishing secure socket layer connections in third-party browsers and VPN clients. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The libcrypto-1 library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the OpenSSL environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libcrypto-1 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or outdated version of libcrypto-1 library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for libcrypto-1 library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix libcrypto-1 library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.